Hello everyone, I am back with another Louis Vuitton unboxing, and these two items right here are part of a Louis Vuitton Celebration of Love collection or Valentine's Day. So I don't know, but these particular pieces that I have here, they are they are hard to find, and some of the items are like I've placed in the past few weeks, they have been canceled, and I think I got lucky to get a hands in both of these. And yeah, I am so excited to share it with you guys. And let me start with this item right here. So they put it in one of those tissue paper right here. Right here, it's very nice. I like the sticker. So let me show you the first item, and it is a bandeau, a Louis Vuitton bandeau, and this is part of the Valentine's Day collection, and I am so excited to get hands on these items, the bandeaus. I don't understand why it is so hard to get a hands on the bandeaus, and once they put it online, they sold out pretty fast. I think that there is a large demand on bandeaus lately, because sometimes when I purchase a bandeau, I always buy them, I get them by pair. So when I want to use it in any of my purses, I wanted to attach it in both handles, especially in my Speedy and my Alma BB. So I wanted to get a pair, but for some reason, this one, it's only available with just one. I am still trying to, my essay is still trying to source this out for one of these, but she said that it is a little bit like impossible to find one, but who knows, really. I still stalk the website from time to time. So anyway, this is a beautiful bandeau, and the size of this, it is in a size BB. So it is slimmer right here. Let me just show you the pattern. This is on right there. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is so beautiful. The Louis Vuitton initials right there, the monogram flowers, and it actually shows the heart in red with the dotted heart dotted around it. And wow, so this is how it looks entirely. And also at the bottom, you'll be able to see a Louis Vuitton signature logo. We have the product code right here. It's M77321. If you are interested, you could search it at the Louis Vuitton website. And it is 100% silk and made in Italy. Right there. Very lovely. And on the other side, on the reverse side of the bandeau, you will be able to see those. Wow, there is a Louis Vuitton. This one is actually, this one has a different font though. The Louis Vuitton signature logos right there. So let's start at the bottom. And yeah, it just says Louis Vuitton Paris right there, but it is in a different font, which is kind of cool. Some of them are cursive. Really nice. Oh, I really like it. Wow, very lovely. And the color for this is on the other side, on the reverse side, the color is in navy blue. And this one is more likely a beige color. The Louis Vuitton right there. The Louis Vuitton signature logo. It is in beige. This is red. And the heart is more likely peach color. And then we have right there at the bottom. And then the background, it's in navy blue. This is actually nice. I really love it. I love those hearts right there. This one is reversible. Beautiful. Wow. I believe this one is priced around $200. This is a little bit cheaper compared to the bandeau, the bigger size one, the regular size, because this is the BB. The only difference, they are in the same length, but the only difference is the width right here. So yeah, it is on the slimmer side. I like the BB because it's so easy to just wrap it on the handles because it's not too thick right here. It's not too thick. So this is the first item. Let's move on to the next one. And this one, it's also part of the Celebration of Love collection from Louis Vuitton. And I think this one looks really stunning, guys. I have checked the website for this piece. I spoke to my SA and she said they actually got one at the store. Right away it got sold out because when I checked the website, it has been sold out right away. So a lot of these bandeaus, the squares, and especially with the Lunar New Year, I wasn't able to get a hands on those. That is actually what I really wanted, but it is so hard to get those pieces. I don't know. It was released on the website and it got sold out so fast. Even at the store, they said they weren't able to get it. So maybe it has already been pre-ordered. So anyway, this is the next item right here. And wow, it is a scarf. Well, you can use it as a scarf, a bandana, or a bandeau, however you want it. But it is also part of the Valentine's Day collection. And wow, the beautiful pop of colors, the neon pink colors, what makes the scarf attractive. Oh my goodness. So okay, let's take a look right here. So this is the bottom side of the bandana. Let me see what's in here. Okay, I thought it was a dirt or stain or something. I just really want to make it sure because I know that if there's any defect or whatsoever, I don't think I'll be able to get a replacement. So this is the bottom part of it right here. Wow. It has a Louis Vuitton initials, LV. At the bottom, wow, the beautiful pop of color is amazing. And on the other side, we have the motif right there for the Valentine's. It is a heart with the Louis Vuitton signature logo right there. Wow. I love it. And there is a bunch of dotted hearts around with the monogram flowers as well as the initials as well. Let me see. I'm trying to remove the lint. And then as we go up, right there, this is so nice. I love it. And we have the monogram flowers on the left, right here. And on the other side as well, the monogram flowers, which is so beautiful, very attractive. It actually stood out, those logos right there in the monogram flowers. And this one has several variations of colors. And the color right here of the Louis Vuitton initials is actually in black. And then we have the beige all over it. And then the flowers is also in black as well. We have right here, this is pink right here, a neon pink color. Very lovely. It is so beautiful. Stunning. This is my favorite part right here. It's so cute. So we have a product information. So the product code is M77354. And wow, this is also made in Italy as well. I think majority of my bandeau and scarf are made in Italy. As usual, this one is hand rolled on the corners right here. They roll it right there, hand rolled. And also, yeah, the measurements, they call this I love you square 45, and that is 45 centimeter, and I think the equivalent for that is like 18 by 18 inches. So that is the equivalent. Anyway, on the other side now, this is not actually, the other side has, it's just plain like that. It's not actually dual. How do you call that? The other side of it, double-sided? Yeah, I think this is not double-sided, guys. Compared to the bandeau right here, this one is double-sided. Right here, this one is double-sided, but this one, the square that I've got right here, this is not double-sided at all. Okay, so maybe if they've done it double-sided, it's probably priced a lot more. And let me just show you the comparison of the color on this piece. Wow, the silk feels so smooth and really, really soft. So this is the comparison of the two together, the navy blue, and this one is in pink. Very lovely. It is just like, it just looks like a Valentine's Day motif right there. Very nice. Really nice. I've been trying to collect, I don't know, I have an obsession with bandeau. I don't know, for some reason. I know they have a new one on the website. As far as like checking it today, I didn't really like it so much. I want something that has a pop of colors. So yeah, so anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.